Welcome back to Improv Theater. I am your host, the Weirdo of Weirdos, and Pierce is back! Oh, thank God. And boy, does he have a wonderful show today. It's a show full of... And boy, what an amazing story. Why, it is a story consisting of... And you know a story is compelling when it is dripping with... Okay, I'm going to be honest. I really don't know what this story is about. Well, that's a lie. There is one lingering thread that I can just desperately grasp onto in a futile attempt to make this story make sense. So my job as usual. Yeah, it was let me look this up here. It was that something. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. Economics. As in the economy? Okay, I mean, why not have a show about the economy? I mean, who doesn't know anything about the economy? Oh wait, there was one other thing this show is about. What was it? Was that movie that was popular some time ago? Based on that comic book, that one purple guy snaps his fingers and half the world gets killed. Something about time travel. I Am Iron Man. Was it Assembly Line Endgame? Nah, I don't pay attention to the DC universe. Well, let's get started. Take it away, Rob! Economics. This is going to be the running joke for the rest of the show, guys. Get used to it.
Come on and get your kicks. You don't need the money when you look. Act like an adult. Just a little bit. It's gonna be a father soon. Wait that. Stop it. Okay, just do that a lot. We are Linus, everybody! We have Linus! So sorry about a little bit of a late start today.
I'm not sorry. I was going to be late anyway.
That's very true. We are part of another theater here, the Starlight Theater, which is amazing kids shows. So if you know kids that want to be little actors, bring them here. So they had a great show tonight of Sound of Music. The Sound of Music. Yes. There was one woo from the back.
Yeah!
I'll tell a quick story and then we'll listen to you guys. So when we first went for a theater a long time ago,
oh man,
we were trying,
so long ago.
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
The longest time ago.
Looking for a place, and we were like a couple, a couple dudes in a car, and then we were like
a couple dudes. Good.
and we were like, oh, there's the theater, and then outside is just a bunch of little kids. They're like hanging out, talking, but they got these like, swastikas on their arms.
Oh.
And we didn't know anything about this theater.
And this was before Nazis were cool again.
Yeah. Not a sentence. That's not a sentence. It's not a thing.
They're super cool again.
But we were so hard up for a theater space and so young. We're like, I guess we work with Nazis now. We were legitimately, this is something we have to do.
We were ahead of the curve.
It's not, once again, that's not where that plays in.
No,
It's not.
I was watching the news today.
No, do that.
No? Okay.
Stop doing that all the time. But ultimately, they were just doing Sound of Music, and I learned, sometimes little kids just wear swastikas for entertainment. So, if you've never been to an improv show, we're gonna keep it real short for you. We make it all up. We're gonna make up literally every single thing we do tonight. Me and Pierce have been teammates for a long time, but we do this new thing now, where he maybe comes to shows, and I just stress out to see if he's gonna show up.
Sometimes I show up.
Yeah, so this is we've been doing it on about 9 years now. That's a long 9 years. We're kids. And what have you guys been doing for the last 9 years?
Growing up.
School.
Growing up? You've been doing school for the last 9 years?
Growing up.
And you've been to school? It's just
Blinking?
school. What?
Blinking.
I hope you start blinking before 9 years ago.
Just stop.
Reading.
I mean, it's never too late to start
Breathing.
blinking, really.
Okay, I hope you start breathing before 9 years ago. Yes, the answer to you is yes. You have to start blinking immediately after being born.
I don't know if that's true.
Isn't it your eyes will dry out?
Yeah.
Yes.
And
I don't know. Have you ever tried it?
Yeah.
yes, everyone's done a staring contest.
Really?
Yeah.
You can't blink during stage.
You're so smart. There's so much information in your head. Other contests you've done with your friends. Anyone ever do a ridiculous contest? Like anything ridiculous? Like you guys remember when we were kids? Some of us got to play body blows. Anyone else do anything else?
No.
You guys didn't play body blows?
I don't know.
Tell me you played body blows.
I mean, if you count me just hitting my brother.
That counts. So body blows was like, a young dude. I'm also might be a little older than some of the audience. Okay, yeah. So body blows was this game we used to play in elementary school where you'd punch each other in the body. You just couldn't punch the face.
It's mostly a male-dominated sport.
Yeah, So I'm young. Some of the audience might be a little younger than me, so it was also you can't do stuff like that in schools anymore.
I mean, I think you can.
No, you can't. I was in that transition period where they took out Red Rover. They're like, this is violent.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
really
remember
like
being like in school and they're like, there will no longer be allowed Red Rover here.
Oh.
Why?
Wow.
Yeah, and then it's a violent game. I remember I would hit kids on purpose. Red Rover, some of that small
Rob,
guy.
you were just a bully.
Yeah, I was a bully. I learned though. I did learn.
You did learn.
I was suspended in kindergarten. First time I was ever suspended. Yeah, kid got in front of me, and this once again how a while ago. Water fountains used to just be big metal blocks. And this kid got in front of me, I didn't know how else to react besides hitting him in the back of the head, and he hit his nose on the water fountain that was metal, and like broke with blood. Because I didn't know how to react, because I was a bully.
Yeah, I'm glad that we messed things up since then.
Yeah, my bad about that. So we're just gonna start going into our show. Has anyone else had to deal with a bully before? What was the best thing you ever did about it? Anything? Did anyone solve their bully problem?
I got expelled.
Expelled?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Made him believe he destroyed something of mine that was my doing, got him in trouble.
Okay, you made him believe that he destroyed
You
something.
gaslit the
Yes.
bully, is what you're saying.
He's young. He doesn't understand.
Yes?
Well, basically ignore him and let him
I'm old enough to
sink
be a
himself.
grandpa
Okay. I like make the bully believe he destroyed something with you.
Psychologically.
That's our suggestion. This night is after 1 round of applause!
Attention, Avengers assemble! You're over here! And this pile of rocks is Thanos, and this pile of rocks is angry Thanos' children, and over here is Thanos' supply train, because it's got a lot of people he has to feed in his giant ship, and how else would, there's a lot more, there's a bunch of cows and some farming implements.
Hey man,
You ever think being up on this ship? This guy, I don't like this guy, man. He wants to kill people.
Yeah, he wants to kill like all the people.
No, half. Exactly half.
Yeah, like what half do you think you're gonna be in? I feel like I'm gonna be in the dead half, though. So.
That's what we're about, dude. He wants to kill us, too.
Yeah.
I can't follow this guy.
Yeah, you don't really have a choice though, because he's all like big and he like squeezes people's heads into mush for fun. And he's got like a philosophy about it, so you can't feel too bad, because it's like, well, he believes in something, and you gotta give it to him.
That's where I've been. I don't have any other line of thinking, so I just have to trust that him killing half the people is a solve.
Yeah. Plus, like the healthcare is pretty good.
You know, my healthcare's great.
It's so good.
I twisted my knee.
Yeah.
He was the surgeon on the job.
It's amazing. Like he's been killing people for so long, he just knows where everything goes.
So
He's just like, oh yeah, I'm taking one of those out of somebody before. Here, this is where it goes back.
surprising too. He has life insurance for all of us.
Yeah.
He blatantly knows he has to pay out.
Like he's a megalomaniacal psychopath, but he's fair.
I'm sorry. What was that word?
He's a megalomaniacal psychopath.
I'm better. Can you spell that?
He's a M-E-G-A. Well, we're speaking in an alien language, so I don't actually. So,
Back to the kid. Back to the kid.
Okay, and then what we're going to do is the economy of scale is going to work so that everyone here, if you earn more than 90% of your neighbors over here, and then Spider-Man is like, are we going to do this or are we not doing this? And Thanos says, okay, so 20% of your copay is going to
Hey man, did you hear the new economy rules, dude? Dude, I have to just give you some of my money because it's just equal. No, that's not how money works.
Come here to smash.
No, we're getting ready for the attack. The Avengers are assembling. Please focus.
Yeah, Crump gonna smash that one. And that one. And then Crump take nap.
Hey man, I was wondering, could you go out there for me? I don't want to fight this fight.
Yeah, Crump fight all the fights. Crump has great healthcare.
Here, take my badge.
Ooh,
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
So if they die, they see that Jonathan was actually out there.
Okay, you take Crump badge.
Badge is even heavy.
Okay. Crunk is not wearing a shirt. This does not fit him.
Back to the kid.
Okay, so obviously we've had a problem with the lumpen proletariat. So what we're going to do, we're going to have all of them, we're going to have a community of public safety over here, and then what we're going to do over here is that, what was this? This was a cabbage before. No, this was a currency.
Son, where's my cabbage?
Oh no!
Son, careful my cabbage!
I'm sorry, Dad. I was using cabbage to explain the monetary policy of
Hey man, I tried to read up, but I couldn't keep up. You mind breaking down the monetary policy of Thanos for us minions?
Alright, basically the way that it works is like this. If you're on Thanos' ship,
Okay, that's us.
it's mostly a barter system, where it's like either I will punch you in the
That's
face,
not a.
or you're going to survive to live to punch somebody else in the face.
I like the second one. Can we all pick the second
It's
one?
mostly a punching economy. It's an economy of scale.
I can like my face. Can we potentially do some type of body blow economy?
I'm gonna punch you in the nuts.
Nope.
No, I'm gonna punch you in the teeth.
I think we're forgetting where the body is.
Alright, okay, here's the thing. We're aliens technically, so our physiology
Yeah, it's a
is
little
just
different.
like
Like, my beepity boo's here.
boop bop.
Yeah, back to the kid.
Okay, and so this right here, this represents the large healthcare corporation that is now taking care of all of Thanos' minions. But over here, we have
Thank you for coming to this secret meeting for Kaiser Permanente.
Yeah, of course, no problem.
So we're gonna secretly cut all of those little guys' health care. But every little cut is that bigger cut into your pocket.
Yeah!
Hey, you're the right guy to lead this.
I'm all about the green. Okay, and then, okay. Well, there's no middle class anymore. What happened?
When the night is calm and peaceful, loving hearts are all in tune. There's two lonesome people in the whole wide world. That's me and the man in the moon. When the little birds are nesting and I listen to them croon, there's two lonesome people in the whole wide world. That's me and the man in the moon. Just before I'm counting sheep, through my window he comes to peep, and with each other we're sympathizing, looking at the happy sweethearts while they sit around and spoon. There's two lonesome people in the whole wide world. That's me and the man in the moon.